Morning students, my name is Sonia as a assistant professor in RPIT campus, Technical and Medical College. Today we will discuss here about hypertension. Hypertension is also known as high blood pressure. Is a long-term medical condition in which the blood pressure in the arteries is persistently elevated. The systolic blood pressure will be more than or equal of 140 millimeter of mercury, and diastolic blood pressure will be more than or equal of 90 millimeter of mercury. Types. Here is 4 types of hypertension. First one is pre-hypertension. Systolic blood pressure 120 to 139 millimeter of mercury. Diastolic blood pressure 80 to 89 millimeter of mercury. Hypertension stage first. Systolic blood pressure 140 to 149 millimeter of mercury. Diastolic blood pressure 90 to 99 millimeter of mercury. Third one is hypertension stage second. Systolic blood pressure more or equal to 160 millimeter of mercury. Diastolic blood pressure more or equal to 100 millimeter of mercury. Fourth one, pregnancy induced hypertension because of increased production of hormones and enzymes during pregnancy. Etiology: primary hypertension and secondary hypertension. It is the elevation in BP without an identified cause. Secondary hypertension. It is the elevation in BP with an exact cause. This type is account for 5 to 10% of total cases. The causes of secondary hypertension included congenital narrowing of aorta, renal disease, endocrine disorder like Cushing's syndrome, neurological disorder like brain tumor and head injury, sleep apnea, medication like oral contraceptive pills, NSAIDs and cocaine, cirrhosis of liver. Risk factor: age, chances of cat after 50 years of age, alcohol, smoking and diabetes mellitus, excessive dietary intake of sodium, gender, family history, obesity, sedentary lifestyle, stress. Pathophysiology: the normal blood pressure is maintained by 4 mechanisms. First one, sympathetic nervous system activity. Second, activity of vascular endothelium, activities of renal system, activities of endocrine system. Symptomatic nervous system activity: when the BP is decreasing, the activation of SNS, symptomatic nervous system, will occur. The increased SNS activity increases the heart rate and cardiac contraction. The increased the heart rate and cardiac contraction produce vasoconstriction in the peripheral arterioles and promotes the release of renin from kidney. The net effect of SNS activation is to increase the arterial blood pressure by increasing cardiac output and systematic vascular resistance. Activity of vascular endothelium. The vascular endothelium is a single cell layer that lines the blood vessel. It will produce vasoactive substances and growth factor like nitric acid, endothelin, etc. These substances are potent vasoconstrictor and causes increases blood pressure.